The question says simplify 1 over 4 raised to the power minus half. How do we do this? Solution. So for 1 over 4 raised to the power minus half, okay, we can have 1 over 4 as 1 over 2 square. And we put this in index form, which is now as 4. Okay, raised to the power minus half. Okay, and we can write this as 2 raised to the power minus 2, which is as 1 over 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, raised to the power minus half. So at this point, we can apply the exponent rule by multiplying this with this power. So we have 2, which is the base, minus 2 times minus half. Okay, so here we have this as 2. For minus times minus is plus. For 2 times half is 1. So for 2 raised to the power 1, we have this as 2. Thank you very much.